The final color options for the Galaxy S26 Ultra have leaked. SIM trays confirm the main color lineup, including black, white, blue, and violet. The violet shade is expected to be the main marketing color. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to support 60W fast charging with a 5000 mAh battery, a significant upgrade. In contrast, the base Galaxy S26 will stick to 25W charging, and the S26 Plus will remain at 45W. Samsung is introducing a new AI privacy display feature on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This technology will actively block side-angle viewing, preventing others from seeing what's on your screen without affecting brightness or touch experience, unlike traditional privacy screens. The phone's main camera will cut down on the post-photo processing and instead present the user with an image that much more accurately represents the environment around them. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to come with 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage, positioning it as a true long-term performance monster. Samsung has announced the Galaxy S26 Ultra at a Galaxy Unpacked event on February 25, 2026, with the full market release anticipated on March 11, 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.